Namaste. Hi my dear Metallics. I am back with fractions again. We know we require fractions when we have to make equal parts of one piece. You can see my previous video in detail. Link of it is there in description box. If you are having trouble in remembering word fraction, you can remember it with fracture. Fracture is break of bone or some hard material. Here also we are breaking things into pieces but equal pieces. Let us go through different types of fractions. You guys may feel that your numerator is always supposed to be lesser than denominator. That's the case in your proper fraction when your piece is actually less than 1 because they are giving you part of one piece. I am dividing 2 chocolates into 8 equal pieces. I am giving 6 pieces of one chocolate to Tanush. Then Tanush went to his father and his father gave him again 4 pieces. So actually, how many pieces if he has got now? 6 I gave and 4 his father gave. So he got 10 pieces. So actually if you see he has got 10 out of 8 pieces. Now you guys will say how it is possible 10 out of 8 pieces. If you realize he has got one complete chocolate because 8 pieces were making one chocolate and he has got 2 extra pieces. Number of pieces we will say 8 only because we have made 8 equal pieces of one chocolate. He has got one full chocolate if I join 8 pieces. So actually if your share is greater than 1 and part of second piece or third piece or fourth piece, then your numerator can be greater than denominator also. This will be the case of improper fraction. This 8 is actually the number of pieces I made of one chocolate. This 10 is number of such pieces he is having. Actually, he is having one full chocolate. So, 8 plus and 2 extra pieces. So, it is, if you see, you can write 10 as 8 plus 2. So, this is for 8 pieces for one complete chocolate. And this is the fraction of the second chocolate. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 out of 8 pieces. From here arises concept of mixed fractions also. Whenever I am having whole parts and then some fraction, that is improper fraction only. Like here I took example of 10 by 8. Here I found in the previous example I had one full chocolate. So I can write it also as 1. It means one full chocolate and 2 by 8. 2 by 8 means I am having 2 pieces out of 8 from second chocolate. Now let's suppose I have fraction, improper fraction as 17 by 8. Here, how many complete chocolates I am having? I can easily see if I divide 17 by 8, I am having 2 full pieces of chocolate because These 16 pieces are making 2 complete chocolate. And then from third chocolate, I am left with 1 piece. So I can write it as 2. 1 piece left, I will write it out of 8. So this 2 means I have 2 complete chocolate, 2 whole part, 2 wholes. And this 1 by 8 is the part of whole from third piece. I have got it right. My improper fractions and mixed fractions are actually one and the same thing but different ways of writing. Both contains wholes and fractions also. For example, if I consider the example of 23 by 5, this is my improper fraction because my numerator is greater than denominator. I have wholes and fractions also. How many wholes? I will divide 23 by 5. So I have actually 4 wholes and 3 out of 5 pieces, and I will write it as 4 3 by 5. So in mixed fractions, we get a clear picture how many wholes I have and what fraction of piece I have. I assume you guys have got what are mixed fractions, improper fractions and proper fractions. This is Malika Maheshwari signing off. Bye-bye.